Have you been arrested for driving under the influence in Los Angeles County? Is your case out of the Monte Courthouse at 11234 East Valley Blvd? If you're not sure, nobody's blaming you. You've probably had a pretty long night, or maybe you're just getting around to doing some research now on exactly what it is you should be doing. Just take a look at the bottom of the citation the police officer gave you for your court date, time, and courthouse location. Hi, my name is Damian Siwek. I'm a criminal defense and DUI defense attorney here in Los Angeles, California. If you've come across this video in doing your own research for your DUI case, or you're looking for an excellent attorney to represent you in the Monte Courthouse, you have come to the right place. I can appreciate that you're likely overwhelmed and stressed out. Nobody is ever prepared to get a DUI, from being pulled over to being arrested to going to jail. So your current mood is perfectly normal. So I'm going to cover a few basics, and at the end of this video, if you have any additional questions, and you will, I encourage you to call us for a free consultation. Now, did you know that being arrested on suspicion of driving under the influence triggers two separate cases? The first case is your criminal case. That's the one that's listed on the bottom of your citation. The criminal case deals with the issue of whether you're guilty or not of driving under the influence. The second case is the DMV hearing. The DMV hearing deals with the limited issue of whether or not the Department of Motor Vehicles should suspend your driving privilege. The DMV hearing has a very specific 10-day deadline to request this hearing. If you fail to request this hearing, your license will be suspended automatically 30 days from the date of your arrest. Preventing this automatic suspension is something I can definitely help you with. Also, in my experience, there's a huge misconception that all DUI cases are handled exactly the same across all courthouses in California. While the same DUI laws do govern the entire state of California, the same circumstances in your DUI case can be handled very differently from county to county, but also between courthouse to courthouse within a county, because every courthouse, city attorney's office, district attorney's office, and judges have their own internal policies and procedures for how to handle DUI cases. Ultimately, what this means is that the possible outcome of your same DUI case can vary greatly depending which courthouse it's in. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. These and many other questions and considerations will come up because DUI cases are inherently complex, and the penalties can be severe, expensive, very inconvenient, long-lasting, and sadly, potentially career-threatening. Which is why it is incredibly important that if you're going to hire an attorney, that the attorney has experience in the courthouse where your criminal case is located. I've handled virtually every type of DUI case in Southern California, including countless DUIs in the Monte Courthouse. In closing, DUI cases are far from hopeless. There's almost always something that can be done with these cases, but it's not going to happen unless we fight for it, which is why you should call us for a free consultation to discuss your case and how we can be of service.